Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can use One for All on Just Eat app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So basically One for All is a gift card which you need to use on Just Eat. So for this, simply tap open your Just Eat app and select a restaurant of your preference. And once you select a restaurant, you can now select the items you want to order. So choose what you want to order and then press on the add to order option. Then tap on the view basket option, and once you press on view basket, you will end up at this page where you can simply go to the checkout option. So once the checkout process is done, you need to add in your address and confirm your delivery. However, due to privacy reasons, this page is not visible. So after this, you will have to head to the next page by clicking in the checkout option. So now you will be redirected in this page where you have to tap on the I have a discount voucher option. Now press in your One for All gift card code and simply press on the apply button and then press on order and pay. So in this way you can use One for All in the Just Eat app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.